Hi guys, it's me again, Nurse Maria. Dahil pagod kami sa kakalakad sa palasyo, ayun, napainom na kami ng banana milk. Masarap siya guys, promise. So, from there, we made a quick stop at Insadong before heading to the relaxing Chonggechon stream. It was the perfect place to slow down for a bit before ending our day at the famous hand viewer. Actually guys, may magpa-perform sana dyan na hindi ko alam kung sinong K-pop idol, pero hindi na kami nakapag-wait because we're running out of time. So yun na nga, nag-picture-picture lang kami, tapos drama-drama, o diba, naglalakad ang aking pamangkin. Syempre, sa stream, hindi na talaga kami nag-stroll-stroll pa dyan guys dahil kailangan na namin puntahan ang susunod naming puntahan dahil hapon na po yan, malayo-layo ang Han River. Gusto naming i-explore ang Han River. So we actually plan to rent bicycles and ride along the river, but unfortunately, our first attempt was a total fail. So instead of feeling disappointed, we did what any food lover would do. We treated ourselves to some delicious samgyeopsal and finally had our first ever kampai with makgeolli, Korea's famous rice wine. Sinong nakakilala niyan, di ba? I've always been curious about it because I see so often in K-dramas and now I finally got to taste it, and honestly, it was really good. Seeing the Han River also reminded me of those K-drama scenes where the bida will jump and then wow, buhay, parang Filipino dramas lang din. And fun fact, many Korean celebrities including the Running Man cast also have also eaten here. Overall, everything was worth it. Maybe the food tasted extra delicious because we were starving, but the makgeolli definitely exceeded my expectation. We didn't finish the whole bottle during dinner, but don't worry, we finished it back at the hotel. And remember, 1 liter a day keeps the doctor far away. Just kidding, drink responsibly. See you in the next vlog. Bye!